Hello everyone, join me as we do this question. Without using calculator or mathematical table, simplify. Now we have this as a surd. Now, how do we simplify such kind of a question? How do we simplify such kind of a question? Now, the simplification here is just by something that we know as rationalization. We rationalize the denominator by multiplying let me write. If you are given something of this nature, rationalizing now the denominator, then you need to multiply by a plus b. We know very well that a squared minus b squared, what it was giving us the above. So rationalization now means that you multiply the denominator by this factor here, changing the sign to be positive. Now, this is how to go about it. We have 3 root 2 minus root 3, then all over 2 root 3 minus root 2. Now, we multiply the denominator with 2 root 3 plus root 2, and what we have done on the denominator, we do the same at the numerator. Who could do? So we just multiply by 2 root 3 more plus root 2. Now this means if we can cancel, above this one and this one to give us 1 1. So it's like we haven't done anything. But now we won't cancel, but we can now expand. Expanding this, since I have written here a squared plus minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is this one. So this means that we will have this number being giving us, we can now multiply here by 3 root 2, then 2 root 3 minus plus root 2, then minus root 3, 2 root 3 plus root 2. So all over, this means 2 root 3 squared minus root 2 squared, which will be the same as, we can now proceed and do this part. We can now proceed and do this part. This will be 2 by 3, that is 6, root 2 multiplied by 3, that is root 6, then plus 3 root 2, and this one is like root 4, then minus this is 2 root 9, 3 multiplied by 3 plus, if you multiply this, it will give us minus root 6 over. Now, then denominator will be 4 multiplied by 3 minus, this is minus, that is 2. Root 2 squared is just 2, eh? So we are getting these. You can take the right terms together here to see, or to get 5 root 6, then plus this is just this is square root of 4 is 2, so you are getting 6, minus square root of 9 is 3, so 3 by 2 is 6, over this is 12 minus 2, and 12 minus 2, we are getting now this as 5 root 6, this and this just 0, 6 minus 6, then over minus, we are getting 10, and this is just giving us root 6 over 2, by 5, 1 by 5, 2. So that is what we are getting. That is what we are getting. Now, since we have been able to simplify now, to simplify all this to this, don't assume that you have been able now to simplify through this way of rationalization. Just try and do like 5 or 3 questions on Surds for you now to be sure that you have mastered everything to do with Surds. Thank you very much.